Badger,
Yes.
what are you doing now?
Well, part of our plan is to bring the vegetable garden up here because it's much sunnier up here, and it's also, we pass on it daily when the house is here or whether the bus is here, so we can sort of maintain it and notice when things are going wrong, when they're going right, etc, etc. So the plan is to move it all up here into raised beds. But I thought it would be really nice to build a outside kitchen barbecue area in amongst it all, so that you could grab some vegetables, grab some herbs, cook them up, and then have a nice little seating area with the sunset. Is my plan. So I thought, whilst we're still waiting for the digger man to start, why don't I start building this little kitchen area with the leftover bits of the teepee poles and stuff we've got left over.
I think it's a great idea.
So that's my plan, and it's going to go here.
So that is the plan, to make a kind of nice barbecue, outdoor seating, kitchen area, which we can actually use now as well this summer, which is handy. So then it will look out over the lawn, and then this can be a nice kind of hosting area.
Take my hairband out.
Yes.
Take it out.
Like it's going well, Badger.
We're getting there, slowly.
Talk us through what you're doing.
I'm just building the floor, and then when I get the posts, I can lift them up and bolt them to get it nice and level, and then make it out of the wood that's left from the forest.
Amazing. I think Crumbs might be fed up of living in the bus. Are you ready for a house, Crumbs? So we're up bright and early doing the kitchen. Woohoo!
Woo! Teamwork.
Badger put up these poles temporarily just to measure and all that kind of stuff.
See what they look like.
Yeah, see what they look like. But now you've taken them down.
Yeah, and I'm going to strip them. Then I'm going to get the other ones, try and offer it all up, so measurements, everything like that. I'd love to take that one out and make an overhang, but I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that yet. And then treat them all for bugs, treat all the floor for bugs. Then we can start building the inside and put the roof on.
Amazing. Also, the TP is going to move soon when we've got enough hands to do it. So then we'll have our seating area here where the TP is, be able to look out over the lawn. You helping Daddy?
So we've got a top bit which is going to carry the roof. So we're now going to put one across the back that's slightly lower, so it's like that. Sorry, the children are playing in the pool. And then put the roof ones that way, then battens that way, then tiles. I haven't planned the rest yet. That's where you go is. I'm going to put these 45s on, which I'm going to cut into here to get it all nice and sturdy, and then I'm going to look at trying to get some windows in.
What are you doing now, Badger?
I'm just pinning the rafters on, now I've got them evenly spaced. Ready for the battens. I've got all the braces up, all the 45, and then I'm going to maybe use some of the windows from the house and some of the doors for a little feature. Irritating child, pressing all the drills. So, now that we've got all of the kind of structural stuff in place, I'm thinking potentially to have like a handrail across here with spindles, and then we'll try and get a window above it to try and break it up and use some of the stuff we've got. Basically just try and use up everything we've got. So I've got the perfect piece here that I've just cut. I'm not sure if it's going to fit yet.
I had an idea which we could do a fairy house out of the dollhouse.
I think it's a really good idea.
Because it's a perfect size for fairies.
Yeah?
Yeah,
And then where are you going to put it?
in the forest.
For the fairies to move into?
Yeah.
Cool.
And I'm going to put a little note for them to leave something to see if they actually went in.
Good thinking. So what do we need to do first?
First, we need to go to the forest and collect all the stuff.
Come on then.
Yeah. Looks like we're going for a walk.
We are going for a walk. Trixie, what do you think we need to put in there? How are we going to decorate it?
Flowers, beds, and all that kind of stuff. And
Yeah?
yeah, like that. And a note what Betsy's doing to leave the house. What Betsy's doing, she can say that.
What do you say?
I'm going to say on the note, dear fairies, here is a house for you guys to live in from Betsy.
Love it.
Please leave something. Please leave something so
I
we
think
can
they
see.
can.
So we can see.
Not make them die.
Definitely moss for the roof.
Okay, so we can find
Definitely.
some moss.
Moss on trees, moss on rocks. We could go down to the river pool and grab some moss off the things.
Perfect.
Found some stuff. We'll put it in there. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Okay, that's enough of those. No more. Okay, there's one. No more.
No more, because that's loads.
Yeah. Put those in too.
Oh, this is going to be exciting, Mama.
So exciting, isn't it?
Ah, slug.
What about that bit?
Oh look, I found another piece of bark.
Look what I found.
Okay. Ooh, fun. These will go brown too, Mama.
Yeah, they will. That's right then.
Yes, okay. A fairy shower.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
A little waterfall for them.
Yeah. Okay, my sandals, and there's a slug there too.
Still, yeah.
Oh, I don't want to touch that because I really want it to come out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's the moss going to be for, girls?
The carpets or the roof.
Nice, good thinking.
You can also pull it off like that.
Fairy pine cone.
Little pine cone.
Look at this
That's perfect, isn't it? And look, there's
Yeah.
some coconuts.
And some of these nuts.
They'd be
Look at
perfect.
that. Look at that carpet.
Filling. We can't squish it. No squishing.
Look, Mama.
Mm. Amazing.
Look at all of this.
I think that's enough moss.
Okay, that's enough moss, Mummy.
Yeah.
I think we're
Look
done
at that.
here. I think we're done.
You think we're done? Should we head back and make the fairy house?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Let's go back.
Yay. Right, so we have a bag stuffed full of treasures
Yeah.
for the fairy house, haven't we? So we're going to head back now and start decorating it for them. So we're just organising what we found, ready for the fairy house.
Yeah.
Oh, they're cool.
Let's go.
I reckon they can have a pile of their own. got in here, Betsy?
Some dried pressed flowers.
I
Let's
put them
open
in
it up.
too.
You
I
did,
put-
didn't you?
Yeah, and let's open this up.
Some of our wild flowers from the garden, aren't they?
Yeah. Open it.
It's in under the white ones.
Yeah.
Under the first layer.
Oh yeah.
Wow!
Wow.
How cool
Here
are
we
they?
go. We've got to
This
be
is-
very, wait.
I'm in the drum Betsy.
We have to be very careful to take them off.
You're gonna stick them on.
Yeah.
That looks so pretty. How about the little yellow ones?
Yeah.
They'd look good.
Yeah. Come here, flowers.
Careful, do you want me to get them off for you?
Yeah.
Are you helping, Pudding?
I asked her to help.
You asked to help, did you?
Yeah.
Have you had enough of the fairy house today, Trixie? We've also seemed to manage to stick some bits to you.
Look.
Oh. I think they've made a lovely start on the fairy house. Now for a little lunch break, and then we'll carry on, shall we? Yeah?
Yeah. I think so. Yeah. I got yeah.
As you saw the other week, us getting the windows and doors out of the house. And yes, they're going to be going in the outdoor kitchen. I'm so excited. I'm absolutely obsessed with these windows and doors. So I'm so pleased they're going to actually have a really kind of nice use. Yeah, I think it's going to look amazing. So the vision is windows here on this bit, and then windows on that back wall there. And then we might even use the ones that have got like frosted along the back, but we're not sure yet.
All I've done is taken two pairs. The middle one is slightly bigger, as you can see, but I'm going to make sure that it's all level, mark it out, put a frame in, cut them all the same size, and hopefully the two outside ones should open and the middle one should stay still. But we're just making use of what we've got. Reduce, reuse, recycle. But I think it actually looked quite cool. Hopefully going to get some recycled corrugated tin for this side. And then I've already put the balustrade that side and maybe some tin behind it. And then we're going to seal the back ones, and then we're going to start on the kitchen. So I thought I'd just give you a quick overview of what we are thinking. So the first metre here is going to be outside, and then this is going to be open, and that's going to be open, and then we're going to seal the back there, seal the back apart from a window here, and I'm about to put a window in this front bit, and then seal the back of these balustrades. So the plan would be that at the back here in a little L would be the kitchen, and then some seating, and then out. And then we've got to move the teepee because that's where we want our seating area to look out to the view. I did hang these doors like this because I think we're going to get some recycled corrugated tin to go on the back to weatherproof it. I just thought that that subtle kind of, we had no use for them, but it kind of softens that tin, and then when worktops in, and that bit's there. You'll see a little bit of wriggly tin between. Just an idea, really. Does it look, or does it, you know, stick a comment in there if you think that looks totally mental and bizarre. We'll probably take them down.
Like this, Mama, look. I'll be a bit over there. So it's not that flat. But
You should put a complaint into the builder. Right, Badger, please tell me you're using my favourite doors in the world.
Yes, I'm just about to cut them down,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to fit them in. Admittedly, I hang the other ones at the back, which is unusual, I know, but I actually think it looks quite
I
cool.
think they look amazing. I really do think they look amazing.
So I've got a plan to make it a bit like a doll's house, where
Okay.
there's like windows but they're not, and doors but they're not.
I
So
love
make it
it.
feel like a room, but it's also still just an open outside
Yeah,
space.
it's amazing. I'm obsessed with these doors, so I'm excited to see what you're going to do with them.
Well, I'm just about to cut this one, and then you'll see.
Badger's waking up with a right spring in his step and 1,000 ideas, so I'm looking forward to today. That looks super cool. I think it looks good when it's kind of set back into the wood.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah. I do. Just trying to get a sort of semi. Plan is today we're going to put the battens on the roof, which we had left over. So far we haven't had to buy anything. It's all been what's been left over from other jobs. Battens on, and then I'm going to treat all the wood for the bug treatment. And then I don't know whether to use the cladding on the floor or whether to go and get flooring. I want to use what we've got, but also it's going to make it much harder to put it down. But will it look cooler? I don't know.
Who knows? We'll have to wait and see.
But yeah, battens, 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 battens.
Busy day doing battens.
All right. Right, we've had a super fun week building this outside space, and I'm really chuffed with how it's coming along. We've got loads more ideas, and it's sort of organic, so as it goes along it changes, and we've got to move the teepee and all that sort of stuff. So next week I think it's going to look absolutely mega. We're going to have the view, we're going to have a few more bits finished and the roof on. We were hoping to use tiles, but I don't think the pitch, according to Michael, is enough, so I think we might have to go for corrugated tin or something along those lines that can do a lower pitch. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you like the videos, please subscribe, like and hit that bell, and we'll see you next week.